Live from YODAMOGE's mind, the flood is cleansing our city, separating the energy that be and needs to be released. No harm on the world or loving souls in it, just a mental refresher. State of mind is gold. Become worthy as inner stands for unity now intertwines, youngins. The flood will be stopped and never come back again. As we reclaim power with words and thinking, we take up space with energy, connecting the signal of direction with conversation. Love must speak with unity, alignment on an agenda that brings agreement. As the flood continues, then stop. But if it comes back again with riffraff, the preparation is victory. Boosting the vibe, character, emotion in ourselves as people of awareness of our cleanse. As freedom became beautiful like our smile, no more flooded thoughts in your mind that doesn't serve you. Control is the power of words as we speak. No more flooded souls attached to you, releasing toxic energy of self. That mirror has went to another room. Forward thinkers we are. Welcome to the room. Never know who you might find. Kings, queens, God, guiding our direction. Only speak to direct like our forefathers with the passage of life. Study myself as I live life. The flood is cleansing our city, separating the energy that be and needs to be released. No harm on the world and loving souls in it. Just a mental refresher. State of mind is gold. Become worthy as inner stands for unity. Flood, you can be released away from our minds. I and the hummingbirds call back our power. Say it with me. I call back my power as I speak to God, who is guiding our direction, knowing that love just needs to have a conversation. I call back my power. YODAMOGE, youngins, outwitting the devil's antics. Mayor of the energy. Peace and harmony.